How to view and manage your Google account subscriptions? Here's how. First, open your web browser. Now, go to myaccount.google.com. If you don't remember the website, simply search for Google Account and open it. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Next, click Wallet and Subscriptions from the menu on the left. Now, scroll down until you find the Subscriptions section. Here, you'll see all of your active and inactive subscriptions. As you can see, I don't have any active subscriptions on my account right now. If you have any active subscriptions, they'll appear here, and you can select one to manage it. From there, you can view the subscription details, update your payment method, or cancel the subscription if you no longer need it. Keep in mind that inactive subscriptions can't be removed from your subscription history. That's it. You've successfully viewed and managed your Google account subscriptions. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Google and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.